Hello everyone, I'm Natalie White, and today I'm going to show you the no-line watercolor technique. I love this technique because it brings out an even softer watercolor look on my cards, and even when I use the same image and the same inks, the end product always looks a little bit different. I'm going to show you this technique by using the little bird image from the Better With You stamp set. To start, I'm going to stamp the image in Sahara Sand and stamp off. The more you stamp off, the lighter your lines will be. Sometimes you might want a really faint line, so after you watercolor you won't see much of an outline at all. But with this image, I want to still be able to see some of the line detail in the wings, so I'm going to stamp off twice. I'm using the Shimmery White Cardstock because it works great for watercoloring, and my medium brush Aqua Painter. Here are the colors that I'll be watercoloring with. I have Balmy Blue, Pear Pizzazz, Cajun Craze, Saffron, Soft Suede, and Early Espresso. I recommend working your way from the lightest area to the darkest area as you apply each color until you get the shade you're looking for. If you apply color and it isn't getting darker, let it dry and then try again. You can also try a couple drops of re-inker to the inside of your lid if you want a more concentrated color. So let's get started. Here is the finished card. The base is crumb cake, and this DSP here is from the Garden Impressions DSP stack, and it's finished off with some linen thread and a copper trinket leaf. Contact your local demonstrator, or you can order these products through StampinUp.com. We can't wait to see the beautiful cards you'll make using this technique.